Everyone, this is Vaishnav Shinde here, and this is my task 2, that is payment gateway integration as a web development and designing intern under the Spark Foundation. So here we are going to see the what things we have included in the payment gateway integration. So you can see here these all things I have included in the payment gateway integration. So we are going to see one by one things in a detail. Before that, I would like to tell you that the which thing I have used for the front end, back end, and how payment gateway integration is done. So for the front end, I have used HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript, and I have also used a Bootstrap. And for the payment gateway integration, I have used a Razorpay. If you want to use Razorpay in your website, you can also use it. So it is free source, so anyone can use it. So we are going to see the coding part one by one in a detail. So here we go. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my basic index.html file. So in this file, the design, the overall navigation and the design and the slider which I have implemented in the website, that code is present here. So as you can see here, this is the this is the code for the slider which you are going to see in the website. So in this way, in the basic index.html file, all the things are included like buttons, again the slider. So as you can see here, so this is the code where our payment is actually going to perform. So I would like to tell you, whenever you are going to perform any payment, the process which is happening behind performing the actual payment, the same process is going to perform here. But I would like to tell you that the information which you are going to store in the form while performing the payment, that information is not going to store anywhere, because this is just a demo. The payment which you are going to perform, it will be in the test mode. So your information will be secure, your information will be not stored anywhere. So I would like to tell you that still I would like to tell you, whenever you are going to perform the payment operation through the website, please don't add your actual details, just add the fake details for the testing to perform whether the payment is going to perform successful or not. So as you can see here, in the assets folder, there are different kinds of folders are available. One is the CSS. Under the CSS folder, the CSS files are present. In the CSS file, all the styling parts is included. All the styling parts, then the responsiveness of the website, these all things are included under the CSS folder. So under the fonts folder, the fonts which I have used in the website, that fonts will be available in the font folder. Again, in the images folder, all the images are available. And in the JavaScript folder, the slider which I have implemented under the website, that code will be available here in the JavaScript folder. That is JavaScript folder. So I would like to tell you that in the payment gateway integration, we are supposed to build the website, help the poor to get money. Money means for their education, for their basic needs. So this is just a basic website. The payment which you are going to perform, it will be just a demo. So we are going to see in a detail how it works. So here we go. So as you can see here, this is my basic website. If you want to see the actual demo of the website, this website is also available online. So you can just browse this link. This link will be available you in the description. So here we go with the implementation part. So as I have told you that there will be one slider. So as you can see here in your screen, there is one slider. So here is also one button for the donation, and again, so as you can see here, this is just a simple website. This slider is automatically moving. So whenever we click on the donate now here or here, so our page will be redirected to the Razorpay. So here we go. When you click on the donate now, your page will be redirected to the another page. So I would like to tell you, please don't add your actual details. You can add the sample details. So minimum payment you have to perform is 100 rupees. So I will add here 10,000. So I would like to tell you that the email address which you are going to add here, that On that email you will get one confirmation link, that one confirmation message along with the payment details to you. So here I will add. Okay, so as you can see here, I have added my details here. When you click on the pay, there are different kinds of options will be available to you. Like whenever we are going to perform the actual payment, there will be option for us. There is option for us like net banking. Again, you can also perform the operation using the card. In the card, you are supposed to add the testing details, not the actual details. So you can add here the card number, expiry date, and CV. Again, you can see here in the UPI ID, you are supposed to add your fake UPI ID, not actual one. You can also you can also scan the code. Again, in the net banking, you can see here different banks are available. So you can, for the testing, you can choose anyone here. So I will choose SBI here. Again, I would like to tell you, in the wallet you can also perform the payment using the wallet. So as you can see here in the wallet, these different options will be available to you. So you can choose any one which you want. So I will select net banking and I will select bank as a SBI. And whenever you click on the pay, this page is again redirected to another page. So as you can see here, whenever you click on the success, your payment will happen successfully. Whenever you click on the failure, your payment will not going to perform. So I will click here on the success. You can also test this using above link. So we can see here. So as you can see here, our payment is successful. As you can see here, this is the confirmation message. So you, as I have told you, you are also going, you will also receive the mail regarding the payment confirmation. So as you can see here, I have received one message regarding payment. So as you can see here, timing is you can also see the timing here. So you will get all the payment details. You will get the payment ID along with your details from which you have paid the money. Also going to receive one PDF. In the PDF file, you can see here who paid money. Again, along with your email ID, mobile number, and the amount. So in this way, the Razorpay works in the payment gateway integration. So if you want to perform the transaction, you can also use above link and perform the transaction. Actually, all the details are all the things are working fine or not. So again, I would like to tell you like that using this link you can see the website and perform the transaction. So again, I will perform one more transaction for the failure to see whether it's working fine or not. So whenever the website is loaded, okay, I will click again, same process you have to perform. So I will click here payment as 1600. Again I will write here all the details are filled. So you can also see here your all the transaction, it is in the test mode. The details which you are going to perform or the transaction which you are going to perform is not going to, your money is not going to, actual money is not going to transfer. You can also see here it is in the test mode. Again I will select net banking and I will click on the pay. So here what here I am going to perform. So I will click on the failure. So see the payment failed. You can retry. So in this way this website works. Thank you for watching the video.